Here's problem 1 from the 2009 AMC 8. Bridget bought a bag of apples at the grocery store. She gave half of the apples to Anne. Then she gave Cassie 3 apples, keeping 4 apples for herself. How many apples did Bridget buy? The choices are 3, 4, 7, 11, and 14. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's work backwards. After Bridget gave half of the apples to Anne, she had the other half left. What did she do with that half? She gave Cassie 3 apples and kept 4 for herself. So the half she had left is 3 plus 4, which equals 7 apples. That 7 apples was only half of what she started with. To get the whole bag, we double it. 2 times 7 equals 14 apples. So Bridget bought 14 apples in all. The answer is 14, which is choice E.